a detailed explanation of the topic. Bones, functions, movements of axial and appendicular skeleton, and bone healing, ideal for class notes, assignments, or exam prep. Bones. 1. Introduction. Bones are specialized connective tissues that make up the skeleton of vertebrates. They provide structural support, enable movement, protect organs, store minerals, and serve as a site for blood cell formation. The adult human skeleton consists of 206 bones divided into axial skeleton, 80 bones, appendicular skeleton, 126 bones. Number 2. Functions of bones. Function, description, example, 6 bones. 1. Support. The skeleton provides a rigid framework that supports soft tissues and maintains body shape. Vertebral column supports the trunk. 2. Protection. Bones form protective cavities around vital organs. Skull protects brain, ribcage protects heart and lungs, vertebrae protects spinal cord. 3. Movement. Bones act as livers, joints act as fulcrums, and muscles provide the force for movement. Limb movement, breathing, chewing. 4. Mineral storage. Bones store calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals and release them into the blood as needed. Calcium balance in the body. 5. Blood cell production, hematopoiesis. Red bone marrow in certain bones produces red and white blood cells and platelets, found in sternum, ribs, vertebrae, pelvis. 6. Fat storage. Yellow bone marrow stores adipose tissue for energy reserve. Long bones like femur and humerus. 7. Endocrine regulation. Bone tissue releases osteocalcin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar and fat metabolism, helps increase insulin secretion. 3. Movements of bones. Movements occur at joints, articulations, where bones meet. The type of joint determines the kind of movement possible. The skeleton is divided into 2 major parts. A. Axial skeleton, 80 bones. Includes skull, cranium and facial bones, vertebral cum spine, thoracic cage, ribs and sternum, hyoid bone and auditory ossicles. Functions. Protects brain, spinal cord, heart and lungs, provides attachment for muscles of the head, neck, and trunk. Supports the body's central axis. Movements. Part. Movements, examples, side bending. Skull, flexion, extension, rotation, nodding yes and shaking no. Vertebral column. Flexion bending forward, extension bending backward, lateral flexion, side bending, rotation, bending to pick up objects or turning torso. Ribs and sternum. Elevation and depression, movement during inhalation and exhalation. Half B appendicular skeleton, 126 bones, includes pectoral, shoulder girdle, clavicles and scapulae, upper limbs, arms, forearms, hands, pelvic girdle, hip bones, ilium, ischium, pubis, lower limbs, thighs, legs, feet. Functions, enables movement and locomotion, supports the attachment of limbs to the axial skeleton. Movements at major joints, joint type main movements. Shoulder, ball and socket. Synovial, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, rotation, circumduction. Elbow hinge, synovial flexion, extension, wrist condyloid, synovial, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, circumduction. Hip, ball and socket, synovial flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, rotation, circumduction. Knee, modified hinge, flexion, extension, slight rotation when flexed. Ankle, synovial dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. Foot, subtalar joint, inversion, eversion. 4. Bony fracture repair. When a bone is fractured, it undergoes a complex biological process to restore its structure and function. Stages of bone healing. Stage 1, hematoma formation, 0 to 7 days. Blood vessels in the bone and surrounding tissue rupture. A hematoma, blood clot, forms at the fracture site. Inflammatory cells, neutrophils, macrophages remove dead tissue. The area becomes swollen and painful due to inflammation. Stage 2, fibrocartilaginous soft callus formation. 1 to 3 weeks, fibroblasts produce collagen fibers that connect bone ends. Chondroblasts form fibrocartilage, creating a soft callus. This stabilizes the fracture but is not yet strong enough for weight bearing. Stage 3, bony, hard, callus formation, 3 to 8 weeks. Osteoblasts begin forming spongy bone, woven bone to replace cartilage. The soft callus becomes a hard callus of immature bone tissue. Fracture ends unite firmly. Stage 4, bone remodeling, months to years. Osteoclasts remove excess bone tissue. Osteoblasts deposit new compact bone, restoring the bone's normal shape and structure. The medullary cavity is reformed and mechanical strength returns to normal. 5. Factors affecting bone healing. Positive factors, negative factors. Good blood supply, poor circulation, proper alignment and immobilization, excessive movement at fracture site, adequate nutrition, calcium, vitamin D, protein, malnutrition, vitamin deficiencies, younger age, advanced age, absence of infection, infection at fracture site, healthy hormonal balance, smoking, alcohol use, diabetes. 6. Clinical relevance, delayed union, healing takes longer than expected, non-union, failure of bone ends to unite, malunion, bone heals in an incorrect position, osteoporosis, reduced bone density increases fracture risk. Summary chart aspect details. Skeleton types. Axial 80 bones and appendicular 126 bones. Main functions of bone. Support, protection, movement, mineral and fat storage, blood cell formation. Movements axial, flexion, extension, rotation, lateral flexion. Movements appendicular, flexion, extension, abduction, abduction, rotation, circumduction. Bone healing stages, hematoma, soft callus, hard callus, remodeling. Thank you. Have a nice day.